Happy Monday. Welcome to your first full week of regular classes here at CGMS. Huge shout out to Ms. Rivera for talking to us today about organization and building relationships. Both are so important. My job today is to walk us through what morning check is going to be looking like in a virtual space. So every single day in advisory, you will have morning check. And the purpose of morning check is to make sure you are ready. So the first thing you're going to do is share with your advisor whether or not your learning space is organized for the day. I'm looking pretty good. I had to pick it up last night, but everything is in place. The second is, do you have paper and a pencil nearby? Yep, I'm good to go for that. We're going to make sure my homework is completed. We're going to make sure my virtual planner is open. We're going to make sure my family has checked my planner and that I have a virtual schedule nearby. And yep, my computer is plugged in and charged. So let's start seeing if I'm ready to go for advisory today. So the first thing I'm going to do is get my virtual planner open. Boom, got it saved from math class last week. Now let's make sure that I did all of my homework last week. So I'm going to go to try one week 1 here at the bottom because that was last week. I'm going to know it's last week because the dates for this tab say August 24th through August 28th. I'm going to see that I didn't have any homework and I did complete my 20 minutes of independent reading. I have 100% and oh my goodness, my family was able to check this off. Now, some of you have said, Ms. Frederick, how am I going to be able to check the planner with my family if they're working evenings? That's easy. You can share your planner with your family. So right now, I'm going to share my planner with my dad, and he will be able to get this email and we'll be good to go. So now I know that even if I can't talk with my dad in person, he'll be able to check off on my planner. Now we're good to go for last week. Let's get ready for this week. All right. Now, the first thing that I noticed is that I actually don't have an ELD class. I have social studies instead. So what I can do is I can insert a row and personalize this planner to work for me. So just like when I type in the box for an assignment, I'm going to double click in that row that I just added. Again, I did right click and I did insert row. Okay, so I'm going to double click and I'm going to type social studies. All right, and I know that we don't have any social studies on Wednesday. So I see that on Wednesdays, there's already this box that says no computer science. So I'm going to right click, I'm going to copy, I'm going to go up to social studies, and instead of no computer science, I'm going to type in no social studies. Phew, I feel better already. Now that I know that I have one more row to match my classes. Now the second piece is I don't have ELD, so I can delete this row. But first I'm going to copy and paste because I definitely want my font to match. I know some of you are just like me. So in order to get rid of my ELD row, I'm going to right click and I'm going to hit delete row. Awesome, and I have this extra, so I'm going to delete that as well. So now I feel prepared for my week, knowing my classes match my own. Now, in order to help you with making sure your homework is listed and that your family has something to check off, we all have to build a really big habit, and that starts with our teachers. So every single day in class, your teachers are going to project a slide with the assignment that you are supposed to complete, okay? So for each of our classes, it'll say the assignment listed for each day. So for example, if I went to science first thing in the morning with Miss Wilson, and our science experiment was lab number 1, she would have lab number 1 typed in, projected on her computer. Then I would go to my planner, I would go to science, and I would type in lab number 1, okay? And again, you just double click in the box to get that cursor to show up. At the end of class, if I haven't completed that assignment, I'm going to select no. If I have completed it, I'm going to select yes. So again, this is a habit we're all building together. Your teachers are going to be having slides to make sure that your homework is listed and your class assignments are listed for you to follow. Then your advisor, before they check your planner each morning, they're going to go through and see which students have their planners filled out and which students have their parent signatures clicked off and which students don't. When I was meeting with a student last week, they asked, well, Ms. Frederick, I didn't have homework for this day. So you would simply type in, no homework, finished classwork. Okay? And that way your family knows, I finished the classwork and I don't have homework. And you would actually type in finished Angles assignment. All right? Click yes. All right? Now, the last piece to make sure that I'm ready each day and I can give a thumbs up to my teacher in the chat saying I'm good to go is making sure that I have my personalized cohort schedule up and ready to go. Mine's bookmarked right here. I've got my schedule. It has my links, and now I can get through the day. So morning is so important to make sure that you finish up your work from the day, you're organized, and your advisor can see how they need to support you. Let's keep it up, Hornets. Have a great Monday.